This is a really simple breakfast brunch recipe. Dice your onions and add to a pan of olive oil. When your onions are soft, add 2 diced peppers. When your cumin has toasted off, add your tomato paste and let that fry for another couple minutes. Then add your minced garlic and just let the rawness of that garlic cook out, along with the rest of your spices such as paprika, salt, pepper and a little bit of sugar. And then your canned tomatoes. And just cover and let that simmer for about 5 minutes. When your sauce has simmered, you just want to create some little wells in that sauce and crack some eggs into those wells. Cover and allow that to continue simmering. I like to let my eggs cook until they have a slight jiggle. They will continue to cook in that sauce. If you prefer a more set yolk, just let it steam a little further and then you can sprinkle with some feta cheese, an extra crack of black pepper or chili flakes, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley or coriander. And serve with some delicious crusty bread. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do leave a like, subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you for watching.